Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to this channel, Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to cook a Hong Kong style noodle, pan-fried noodles. But this pan-fried noodle is different from the normal pan-fried noodles. It is called leung min wong, or it can be translated as crispy two-sided noodles. What unique about this noodle is it is being pan-fried on both sides until golden brown. So what's going to happen is that the noodle is like a pancake, and on the top and the bottom sides are crispy, but it's still soft inside. So you can imagine it is a crispy pancake, noodle pancake, and it's going to top with ingredients and gravy. So in this video, I would like to show you how to prepare it. So let's start cooking. Before start cooking, I want to show you what are the ingredients required for this recipe. So we have some noodles over here. This noodle is already cooked, so what I need is to just put it in water, rehydrate it, and that's it. If you are using the raw noodles, you have to cook it like making pasta. Cook it for a longer time until al dente. For the ingredients, I'm using some common ingredients today: some bok choy, shrimp, chicken, mushroom, and carrots. As for seasoning, I'm using some common Cantonese seasoning. This is oyster sauce, light soy sauce, ground white pepper, sesame oil, and some salt. I also have some chopped garlic to stir fry the chicken, as well as some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. To make the sauce, I have some chicken broth as well as some water. So these are all the ingredients required, and let's start cooking. I've prepared and cut part of the ingredients. Let me show you what I have done. These are the shrimp. So the shrimp, I have already removed the head, the shell, the vein, but I'll leave the tail on for better presentation. I've also cut the mushroom into slices. And then I have chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast into thin slices. And then marinate with a small amount of salt, a little bit of oil, a little bit of cornstarch, and set it aside for at least 15 minutes. Cut the bok choy into quarter. And lastly, cut the carrots into thin slices. You can cut the carrots into strip too, it's up to you. These are the 5 ingredients I'm going to use it for this recipe: chicken, shrimp, mushroom, carrot, and some green vegetables. Heat some oil in the pan. We fry the chicken first. And halfway, add the garlic. When the chicken is done, remove the chicken and then keep the remaining oil in the pan. Then fry the shrimp with the remaining oil. I fry the shrimp and the chicken separately because they require a different cooking time. The shrimp will cook faster definitely. When the shrimps are cooked, remove the shrimp and again leave the remaining oil inside the pan. Then I use the remaining oil to cook the carrot as well as the mushrooms. Now add the chicken broth. To cook the carrot and also the mushroom until tender. And at the same time, add the vegetables. For this recipe, we need a little bit more gravy because the noodle is quite dry after frying, so we need more water. And then season with some pepper, sesame oil, salt, some light soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. And then thicken the sauce with cornstarch slurry. The cornstarch slurry is made by using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water. The purpose is to thicken the sauce. It's very nice. You can see that it is shining and the sauce is now thickened, but it's not too sticky, just nice. Lastly, I'll just add back the chicken, the cooked chicken, and also the cooked shrimp into it. I don't need to really cook these 2 items anymore because it is already cooked. So I just want to mix it together, and there it goes. That is the sauce for the noodles. Now let's cook the noodles. You may wonder why I cook the noodle last. It is because I want to retain the crispiness of the noodles. So I'm going to deep fry the noodles and serve immediately. And that is going to ensure that the noodle is going to be crispy on the outside, on both sides. So this noodles is already cooked. What I need now is just to rehydrate it and loosen it. Okay, so now let me transfer it to a wire mesh strainer to drain away all the water. Now heat some oil in the pan until it's getting hot, and then place the drained noodles into it and start to pan fry. Try to shape it into a round shape. Because we are going to put it onto a round plate, so make it a round shape. And after that, just leave it there and do not move it, and pan fry the first side. Remember, the noodle is already cooked, so what we need is to make both sides crispy now. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's quite done. So now I'm going to flip it over. And pan fry the other side until crispy. You may notice that the color is not even. The golden crispy color, it is not even. If you happen to see any noodles that is completely even color, especially in a restaurant, chances is they may actually deep fry the noodles instead of pan frying it. So now let me check. Yep, it's already golden brown, so it's done. And now I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. And now let's put all the ingredients on top and drizzle the gravy on it. Just arrange nicely the vegetable first. Then put all the ingredients and also the sauce on top of it. I've just finished cooking the liao min wong, the two-sided crispy noodles, Hong Kong style. And it is unique because of the texture of the noodles. And if you want to try this recipe, I've included it in the description below the video, and also I will add the recipe at the back of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.